from the 21st of December until the 18th of January, there was a lot that was said within South African football, but especially the Bafana Bafana camp, mainly about Mbekezeli Mbokazi. Of course, the matter first was the issue of him arriving late for the camp in preparation of the AFCON, and Hugo Broos had quite a lot of things to say there, things that upset a lot of people. Issue of race was raised there as well. Also the issue of sexism, because you'd remember that Hugo Broos referred to Mbekezeli Mbokazi, said he's a black guy, but when he comes out of that room, he'll be white. That was deemed to be racist. Another matter was where he referred to Mbekezeli Mbokazi's agent as a little girl. That was in relation to the move that Mbekezeli Mbokazi has made, moving from Orlando Pirates